Frank here from LDH Web Services, stopping by with a quick little tutorial on image processing in WordPress and WooCommerce. So let's get right to it here. Here we are, we're at our dashboard on our website. And on the left-hand side here in our menu, you can see an item that says Media Library. That's where all of our images and videos and any type of media are stored. From the menu here, you can select and go to the library, or you can add a new media item. We're just going to go to the library. Here you can see the items that are already in our library. If we want to see all of them, we would click on Load More on the bottom here. So in the library, you can have a list, or you can have a table. You can filter by different types of media. You can filter by date. And lastly, you can do a bulk select. So to start off with, we're going to delete these two items through bulk select. We select them, we delete them permanently, click OK, and they are gone. The other thing you can do from here is add a new media item. So we'll be doing that. Although we do suggest that you add your in this case, for this store, that you add all of your media, your images through your products, because that's where all of the media that you'll use are situated. So, but we're going to add one just to show you how it works. So we're going to add new. We're going to select, and we're going to go to our directory here. We're going to select this image, and that's it. It adds it to our media library. You can now see it in the list. If you click on it, it'll bring up the details. In the details, you'll see the date it was uploaded, who uploaded it, the file name, the file type, file size, the dimensions of the image. And you can also go in here and change the alternative text. So we're going to say tomato. You can change the title, you can add a caption, a description. For this purpose and this website, we're not doing any of that. All of the description would be through the product page. You can also copy the URL if you wanted to use it somewhere else. And lastly, down at the bottom here, you can delete this item permanently. So the same as doing the bulk select from the list of items, but here you can just do delete permanently. In addition to that, you can edit the image. So we're going to come in here, we're going to click on edit. You can see you can do a crop, you can rotate it, right or left, you can flip it vertical, horizontal. You can undo all of that and have it back to the original image. Just remember, if you do any of this here, you do need to be sure that you have all the right information in here. If you decide to get out of it, you can just click this X here. If you want to go on to the next image in the library, you could simply click here. But we're going to stick on the tomato. So that is it for managing images through the library. Again, we suggest that you do that through your product detail. So we're going to close out of here. Actually, first we're going to delete this. There we go. We're back in the media library. As you can see, that image is gone. Again, like we stated, we suggest you do all your images for your products through the products, although that's not mandatory. That's just our suggested flow. So we're going to click on products. That'll take you to a list of all of our products. So you can see here, for example, you have an item here. You can click on that. It takes you to the edit product. And down here, you can see the product image. You can remove it. After you remove it, you can add another one if you want to replace it. That's the process. If you have to replace an image, you remove it and then add a new one. So we're going to remove this one. It's gone. And we're going to click on Set Product Image. We're going to select it back and click on Set Product Image. And remember, once you do that, you do need to click on Update up here in the upper right-hand corner of the Edit Product page. fairly simple. So we're going to go through and we're going to go back to our list of products. And we're just going to do a quick little review of adding a product and adding an image within that product. So we're going to add new for a product. Brings us to the add new product page. We're going to add a tomato. So we're going to type tomato in the product name. We're going to come down here and select fresh produce. This is what's considered a simple product. So we leave that at simple product. We're going to enter a price of 50 cents each on that. Leave that. And that's all we need to do other than setting the product image. As we discussed in our other video, we do like to use the tool Squish. That's a web-based tool to edit images. We do suggest that you keep your image sizes and dimensions. The size of the file should be as small as possible, and you want to keep your dimensions appropriate for your store. So in this store, we decided to have all of our images to be 518 pixels in height. So we're gonna go in and we're gonna just review using Squish here. We're gonna open, we're gonna go and select the product. We're gonna select this product here. That brings it into Squish. You can see it's already reduced it by 73%, which is great because we want to have a small file size for our images so that when our customers go to our website, the website loads quickly. But the key thing here is to change the size. Remember, we said we wanted to have an image. All of our images on this website for products should be 518 pixels. So we're going to type in 518, and it will automatically adjust the width to be appropriate to the height that we entered. And we see now we're down to 65% reduction in file size, pretty small file, 11 kilobytes. All we have to do is click on download and save that file, and it saved it to our downloads folder on our computer. So back to the new product. We need to set that product image. Click on set product image. We're going to upload it. So we're going to select the file. We're going to go to our downloads. And there's our image. Click on open. It adds it to our media library. Even though we're working through the product page, anything we do with images gets stored in our media library, which you can then go back and modify them later on. But remember, they'll be attached to this product, so be careful what you change. Once the image is uploaded, all we need to do is we can add alternate text here. So we're going to say tomato. That's a good thing to do for search engines. We can change the title. Again, caption, description, that's all coming through the product itself, so we're not going to worry about it here. And we'll simply click on set product image. It now adds that to here. We can go up and we can say publish. So now, as you'll see, we have our image in there. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go in there and do some maintenance on that. So we're back in the edit product page, and you can see there's something down here that says product gallery. The product gallery is when you have more than one image for a single product. So we're going to add a second image to this product. We'll click add product gallery images. We're going to upload an image just like we did originally. We're just going to use this one here and open that. We're going to assume we adjusted the size and all that. We're going to add the alt text, call it a tomato as well, because it is a tomato, not a tomato. We're going to add that to the gallery, and now you see we have a product gallery here. So we're going to do an update. And now we have multiple images for that product. So that is all. If you have any questions, any needs, be sure to reach out to us. We'll be glad to help you. And with that, we ask that you have a great day, and we'll see you soon.